find the maximum minimum values of the function f of xy equals sine x times cosine y over the domain r equals xy such that x is between 0 and 2 pi and y is also between 0 and 2 pi. So we need to analyze the behavior of the functions within this domain. So the first function is sine of x, and we know that sine of x is between 0 and 1, negative 1 and 1 in the domain 0 to 2 pi, and same thing with cosine. So the function f of xy equals sine x cosine y is the product of these two functions, and to find the maximum value, we need to consider the maximum values of sine x and cosine y. Clearly the maximum values are both 1. So the maximum value of f of xy has to equal 1. And so when does this happen? That happens when x is equal to pi over 2 and when y is equal to 0 or 2 pi. And that's, of course, considering when x and y are between 0 and 2 pi. And so to find the minimum value, that's going to be a negative 1. For sine and negative 1 for cosine. Well, sine is negative 1 at x equals 3 pi over 2. And cosine is equal to negative 1 at pi. And so the value, so the max here is going to be 1 and the minimum is going to be negative 1. And so this is our final answer.